Holdfast Marine's videos are brought to you with support from Totalboat and from viewers like you. To support our channel, please subscribe and use our discount codes at totalboat.com. Thank you. Hey everybody, Will from Holdfast Marine, your local boat shop, coming to you today from, we're on the repco. That's right. We're going to be getting to tearing stuff apart. It's a fairly nice day outside. A little warmer in here than it is out there, which is great. We've had some damage that's happened to the shed over some storms. It's a long story, but we're going to be removing the hauler today, and we're going to be removing everything that's on the console as much as I can get out. And then next video, we're going to be cutting out the center console. So that's coming up right now. So as is with everything that I do, nothing is easy, and the hauler is loose. It's being held on by this one pesky little bolt here. I actually even found a little wee tiny drill bit that stuck into my hand, which was cool. Tetanus. Anyway, yeah. So there's one bolt held on here. I can reach inside with the Sawzall and cut it, but I just went and checked my blades. And I don't have any metal cutting blades. I've got plenty of wood ones. That's the problem here. I'm not at the shop. This boat is at my house, and it's not really worth it on a, I think today's Sunday, to go all the way back to the shop for one Sawzall blade. So we're gonna leave that like that. So this hydraulic steering, I loosened the fittings. There's some fluid in there. I don't want to take them off quite yet because I don't have any soak-up pads for the hydraulic fluid that's going to spill out. So today is just kind of a huge bust so far. We're able to get the hauler switch off, which is still in really good. It needs to be cleaned up and worked out, but it's in still really good shape. So I'm gonna reuse this as kind of we'll get a new ball. We'll leave the patina on there, but we'll get a new ball and we'll get a new chrome coated cover to sit over it. That way we can have a little bit of nostalgia on the boat. Just came off a buddy of mine's, and he worked really hard with this little hauler, so I want a little nod to him. So we're gonna keep that on the boat. How's this for messing up my focus? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these antennas off and get everything off that I can. I've already I think I'm going to edit out the video because it was just of my ass, but I've already disconnected the hydraulic line, diverter for the hauler. That's all taken off. All of the fuel lines are disconnected. The wiring's just all been cut because we're going to run new wiring. So I think I'm going to pull off this antenna as well as get the AM/FM antenna off. As I'm talking, I'm just going to keep turning this until it either snaps or looks like it's going to go through the roof of my shrink shed. That's my in my pocket. So this guy, we don't need this on here, so we'll just cut this off. That anymore. that guy. This unit, the stainless antenna mount here, is going to get saved. I'm going to save this because they're expensive. So I can clean up all this stainless. I don't think these are coated, unless it's a cheapo version. Nope, it's just straight stainless steel, so I can buff that up and clean it. Gonna take this plastic one off. That one's gonna go away. The tubes for the davit, I'm gonna keep. I don't know if I'm gonna use them. I'm thinking about making an A-frame davit that's gonna go on the starboard side. So those will come off after we cut all this off. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna take this guy off, and see what else we can take off. So just while this is going really quickly, I know this video really doesn't have a whole lot in it, but everything just kind of went to hell with not having the right tools and so on and so forth. So thanks for kind of bearing with me so far. Appreciate you watching. More to come. So I think that's going to do it for what I'm going to do today. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's already taken, you know, almost an hour and 40 minutes just to get this stuff removed, and my heart really isn't in it anymore for today. But I did want to film a little bit of an update so people can kind of see what's going on. It's pretty warm in here now with the heat going, you know, plus working so hard, and yeah. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'm hoping the next time I will have my actual camera equipment. This is an old tripod. I hate it. I want to be able to gooseneck up in the ceiling so you can see down. Anyway, you get it. So many apologies for the crap camera angles so far today, but they will get better, I promise. I've got a whole bunch of new stuff to try out. Yeah, and then we're just gonna keep plugging along. We're gonna get this beast removed, cut out, thrown in the dumpster, thrown over the side. I don't know where we're gonna throw it, but it's gonna go away. And then we can start templating out the wheelhouse. Yeah, and if you guys want to kind of know how we're going to lay everything out, go back to the previous video in this series. I think I talk about what it is that we're going to do and where we measure to and all that other good jazz. So don't forget, everybody, head over to totalboat.com to support this channel. Use discount code HoldFastMarine in your coupon area when you check out. Really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Tell me why you didn't like it. And make sure you hit that bell notification because it helps. Helps me bring content to the fine folks of the internet land. So we'll see you next time.